Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download Opera GX on Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To download Opera GX on Windows 11, you can follow these steps. So the first step would be launch your current web browser on your Windows 11 PC. Then navigate to the official Opera GX website. You can do this by typing Opera GX into your search engine or directly entering the URL link in the description below. On the Opera GX website, you should find a prominent Download Now or similar button. Click on it. Once done, click on the download button, then click on the downloaded file to start the installation. Now, click on Accept, Uninstall, hit Accept, and just wait for a moment. You may be prompted to choose the download location. If not, the browser will typically download the installer to the default location. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Opera GX. Look for a desktop shortcut or find it in the Start menu. Now, Opera GX may prompt you to import bookmarks and settings from other browsers. You can choose to do this or skip the setup process. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.